are fairly decent. It's the adhesives and some of the non-wooden materials in a lot of them that you want to look out for. Only because they off-gas when you heat them up, so you're breathing them in. It's direct poison to your lungs. Some of the biggest things are like some of the older ceramic style infrared heaters. They have a metal heat grate in the front, and there's felt glued to them. And sometimes it's like a 3M spray glue that's used as the felt adhesive. Well, when you have that directly in front of a ceramic heater, the surface temperature of the ceramic heater is really, really hot. And so it definitely melts, it heats that, doesn't melt it, it heats that glue up beyond its set point from when it cures. And so this is the big thing with the glue. Everyone's worried about, oh, there's glue in saunas and blah, 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 and all this stuff. A lot of times it's like Titebond 2 or it's a food safe wood glue. People will say, oh, no glue is safe. Well, if a kid can eat it and it doesn't, kill them or hurt them, how is that not okay? But the piece that people are missing is that when, like on this piece, when wood glue cures, all these saunas have strips in them that are glued together. If you don't see a fastener, you don't see nail holes that have been filled and sanded, there's glue in there. So it's usually the walls have like support ribs, and then there's two skins that are glued to it on the outside. There's nothing wrong with this, because a lot of these saunas, the glue, once it cures, the set point to make that pliable or liquid again is lower than the temperature that it comes in contact with in the sauna. So the stuff that isn't safe would be your double-sided adhesives like the 3M spray for the felt. These saunas aren't a good example of it, but there's a couple other ones that I've had in the past where there's components in there that are added, like accessories that have nothing to do with the construction of the sauna, but if you heat them up, they off-gas, you can smell it. Some of the lumbers, if there's MDF in the sauna, if there's any type of formaldehyde traces or anything like that, terrible for you to breathe. So if you're going to use this thing for the next 10 years, probably best not to be breathing those types of things every year.
So if there's something that you like from today's video, or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.